Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the bulk editor tool and ingredients. So the bulk editor tool is a new tool that Heartland just came out with that I think is very handy, and it allows you to make bulk changes to a lot of different type of sections and categories. So for this, we're going to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and then we're going to go to the menu icon up here at the top, and then we're going to go to account menu. Once we're in account menu, we're going to go all the way down to the bottom to bulk editor. Once we're in bulk editor, we have this record type here. Click this drop down, and this gives us all the areas we can go into. Now, I'm not going to do all these on one video. We're just going to do ingredients on this video. If you want to see one of these other sections or categories, then please go search my other videos. So for this one, we're doing ingredients. We'll click on ingredients. And this one does take a second to load just because there's usually a lot of ingredients. So since there's a lot of ingredients, it's nice to have this search field here. So you can search for something if you're looking for something in particular. You can also bulk add things here. You click add new, it just gives you new columns. I clicked it twice. And then if you want to delete something, then you just press on the X button over here. From delete. Now you can bulk edit the names. You can bulk edit sub items, which sub item is a way to link an ingredient to a main item. So the sub items is what we use when we're wanting a modifier to call for another modifier. So for example, a steak dinner, and you have the option of a side of salad or baked potato or green beans, mashed potatoes. Well, if you pick the green beans or mashed potatoes, that's fine because that's the end of the questions. But if you pick the salad or baked potato, it may want to ask more questions. Like, what kind of salad dressing do you want on there? What toppings do you want on that baked potato? So we need the option to have it ask for those only if you pick salad or only if you pick baked potato. And that's what we use sub items for. If you need more information on sub items, please search my other video on sub items. And then of course we have the modifiers here. So if we choose this drop down to add, it gives us a list of all of our modifier categories. So if you were in the modifier section here and you bulk added a bunch of modifiers, then you would want to go here to the ingredients and bulk add them here as well. And then the context items, which you can use for different things. I use it a lot for light or easy. I also use it for on the side, and I also use it as a multiplier. So if somebody wants 2 ranches, they can press and hold on that ranch condiment or ingredient and pick 2, 3, or 4, or up to 5. I'm sorry, you can do as many as you want. I've done up to 10. So that's there. If you need more information on context items, please see my other video for that. And then we do have a menu option here, like we did on the ingredients one, or on the items one. We click on that, it gives us a few extra things we can add here. So we can add the option for short names. We can also add the option for available online. So that gives us the option for short names. And then over here is the available online. So it can only fit so much on one screen, so you might have to check and uncheck a few things as you go. Once you're done making all your changes, oh, by the way, I mean, it's self-explanatory, but here in the middle where it has your modifier groups, you can remove things. You can remove this ingredient from those groups by clicking that little X box or X button. Now down at the bottom, when you're done making all those changes, there's a lot here, so that, don't forget to go down here and hit the save button. And then publish changes up here at the top. And that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.